The question is, in an 84th term is 8, 6th term is 14, then find first term, common difference, sum of first 20 terms. Then find first term, common difference, sum of 20 terms. Sum of 20 terms. Now, fourth term is given means T4 is given 8. Formula I am writing. T4 means A plus 4 minus 1 into D is equal to 8. Why? Because Cn formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. That's why you will get this one. Now, T6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D is given 14. Similar problem I gave you in last 10 minutes, I think. Now I am writing A plus 4 minus 1 3D is equal to 8. 4 minus 1 3D is equal to 8. And now here, equation number 1. And this is A plus 6 minus 1. 5D is equal to 14. Equation number 2. Now solve these two. I am doing 2 minus 1. I am subtracting second equation minus first equation. Why? Because in second equation the values are big values, 5D, 14. This is small values, 3D, 8. So if you subtract from this to this, you will get positive values. So I am subtracting this minus this. That is, first I am writing LHS. First, second equation LHS, A plus 5D minus. First equation LHS, that is A plus 3D is equal to. Second equation RHS, 14 minus 8. Now simplification, A plus 5D minus into plus. We are subtracting now, minus into plus. Minus A minus into plus minus 3D is equal to 14 minus 8 is what? 6. 8 plus 6, 14. Now A cancel. 5D minus 3D will be 2D is equal to 6. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So D is equal to 3. D value is 3. Substitute these D value in equation number 1. Then what you will get? A plus 3 into D. What is D? 2. Sorry. 3. This 3 is this 3. And this 3 is D plus. Is equal to 8. Now that implies A plus 3 3 ja. 9 is equal to 8. Now that implies A is equal to 8. 9 taking that side will be minus 9. So that implies A is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. D is equal to 3. From this I am writing D. D is equal to 3. Now we have to find what? First question what? Find the first term. What is the first term? Minus 1. Second question what? Find the common difference. What is common difference? 3. Third question what? Find the sum of 20 numbers. That is, now I am writing sum of 20 numbers. First 20 numbers is, so n is equal to 20. So how many number of terms he is asking to find? Sum 20. So n is equal to 20. A is equal to minus 1. D is equal to 3. Now the formula sum of digits Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Now this is equal to n by 2. N is 20. 20 by 2 of 2a. A is equal to minus 1. 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus n minus 1. N is equal to 20. 20 minus 1 into D. What is D is equal to? 3. 3. Bracket close. Now this is equal to 2 1 ja, 2 10 ja, 20. 10 into 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2. And 20 minus 1, 19. 19 into 3 plus that is 19 3 ja, 57. 57. Okay. Now 57 minus 2. 10 into 55 plus 55. This is big, na? 55 into 10. 550 is the sum of the first 20 numbers of the arithmetic progression, which is having a fourth term 8 and sixth term is 14. Okay. The common difference is 3 and the first term is minus 1. Okay. Understand? Jivin? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, copy fast.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, Jibin.
Over, sir.
Over, right. Next question number 15. So from 15 onwards, you should listen very carefully. All sums are very important. What is the 15th problem? The sum of the three terms of an AP is 42. Question is, sum of three terms of AP is 42. Product of first and third terms is product of first and third terms is 52. Then find the first term and the common difference. Should listen very carefully. What he is saying, see, one AP series is there. We don't know what that is. In that AP series, three terms are there. The sum of those three terms is given 42. And the product of first and last terms is 52. Then what is the first term? What is the common difference? If you know first term and common difference, you can form the AP series. Right, listen. Solution. Let the terms. Can you tell me what are the terms in AP? General terms. What we can take? I gave you already in first exercise. Jibin. I told you we can take three terms. Yeah.
Yes. A plus 2, A plus 3.
No. That is the series.
Yes, sir.
A plus D, A plus 2, D, A plus 3, D, A plus 4, D, A plus. That is a series. But
Yes,
for some questions, the three terms which are in AP always I gave you. The general terms. Three terms I gave you already. From those three, I told you that we can write 5 terms, 7 terms, 9 terms. Like that, we can write number of terms. You have to tell me compulsory.
Sir, first term.
Yeah. Tell me.
First term, last term, and
First term, last term. I gave you three terms. You are not practicing. This is clear. I gave you three terms, Nana. One term, middle term, and left, right, two terms I gave you. Again, to increase 5 terms, more 2 terms right, 2 terms left. Like that, I gave you general terms, and I told you whenever to take the three terms in AP, those only we have to take. Hello?
hello, sir.
Yeah. Tell me. Yeah, now I will write on the board and you have to write up to 15 times as in position, okay?
Okay.
The terms are general terms in AP. Remember this. A minus D comma A plus D. I told you. This is term 1. This is term 2. This is term 3. Now he is saying what sum of 3 terms is 42. Sum of terms is equal to 42. That means what? T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to 42. What is T1? A minus D. Plus what is T2? A. What is T3? A plus D is equal to given 42. Now here D will get cancelled. Now A plus A plus A, 3A is equal to 42. And 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. So A is equal to 14. And nothing but this is the first term. First term. We're asking two questions, first term and common difference. First term finish. Now common difference we have to find. For that given one more hint is not first product of first and third term. Product of first and third term. Product of first and third terms is equal to 52. So what are the first and third terms? First term, third term. Product means multiplication. First term A minus D into third term A plus D is given 52. Now if you observe, this is in the form of A minus D into A plus D, A minus D into A plus B formula, A square minus B square. I am writing formula. A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square formula. That's why A minus D into A plus D will be A square minus D square is equal to 52. But already we have A value. What is A value? 14. Now I am writing here 14 square minus D square is equal to 52 since A is equal to 14. Now 14 square is what? 14 ja. 14 4 ja 56, 14 1 ja 14 plus 9, 196. Minus d square I am taking that side and 52 I am taking this side, that is minus 52 is equal to plus d square. This minus d square I am taking right side will be positive. This 52 I am taking this side will be negative. Now 196 minus 52 value is what? 196 minus 52 value is 144. 144 is equal to d square. Now what is d value? D square is equal to 144. Then d is equal to root over 144. Then d is equal to 12. The common difference is equal to 12 and the first term is equal to 14. So you have to write the last step. Therefore, first term A is equal to 14. Common difference D is equal to 12. So this is the answer. Okay. Thank you.